You know, it's been no secret that I've been trying to quit smoking for some time. I've tried it all, the gum, the patch, hypnosis, you name it, I've tried it. A friend told me about something called the Vapor Experience. Now, I was kind of skeptical at first. A non-smoke smoke? That's the best way I can describe it. However, they come in a package that looks just like a pack of cigarettes, and you can take them anywhere. There's no secondhand smoke involved. You're not breathing in carbon monoxide. You're saving money. There's no tar, and there's no pollution. I was able to give up cigarettes almost immediately. I've been smoking. I was a 2-pack-a-day smoker for about 10 years. And now I know a lot of people have been smoking 20, 30 years, but 10 years was still a long time. And finally, I've been able to kick the habit, and I do recommend the Vapor Experience to anybody. The website's simple and easy to remember. It's www.thevaporexperience.com. They have different flavors and different strengths. They even give you a warranty on the product. So if you're like me and have tried and really want to give it up, give this one a shot again. It's thevaporexperience.com.